Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Guys, today many businesses and companies use different type of lead generation strategies. And in most of those strategies, a form plays a vital role because with the help of forms only you can collect the details of your leads. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can level up your lead generation process with the help of automation. So this automation will allow your leads to get a video on their WhatsApp as and when they fill in some text and images in a form that you have shared with them. Okay, so now let me show you how it is going to work. So guys, the flow of this automation will look something like this. As and when you receive a form submission through JotForm application. So here we have used JotForm to build a form for our leads. In place of this, you can use any other form building application as well. Okay, so as and when you receive a form submission, a video will be created automatically with the help of Voxel application, and the same video will be delivered to the leads who have filled the form on their WhatsApp account automatically. Okay, and to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation. So now let's set up this automation together. So before start setting up this automation, first of all, you need to have a form in which you can get the details from your leads. Okay, so here I have created a form I can show you with the help of JotForm application. So this is the form that we have created, and here we have written create videos using our form. Okay, so here your users or your so you can embed this form in your website also, or you can share it on your social media. So as and when any lead is going to see this form, he is going to fill the details like the title, the text, the image, and here we have given three type of fields for the titles and the text and the images. And as and when they fill these things and fill the details like name, last name, and the WhatsApp number on which they want to receive this video, we are going to create an automated video, and that video will be delivered to them automatically. Okay, so the video will be created out of this Voxel application, and it will be shared with them on WhatsApp automatically. Okay, now let's start setting up this automation. So you have to log in into your Pabbly Connect account first. So guys, please do check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, and after that you can log in here and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you have to set up this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as create and send video on form submission automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow getting created here in front of you like this. Okay, and on this page you will find these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger is the happening of any event, and the action is the response to that trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a form submission, and the action or the response to that trigger would be to create a video and send it on WhatsApp to the person who have filled the form. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger. For this, you have to click here, and from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application. So our trigger application is JotForm, by which we have created our form. Okay, so you have to search for JotForm. This is it, select it. Then it will ask for the trigger event. So trigger event would be new response. Okay, so it will trigger this workflow on a new response. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys. So with the help of this, we are going to connect our JotForm that we have created, and after that we are going to do a demo submission of a form. We'll fill in the details required in the form and submit the form, and we'll capture the data of that form here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, that will be a test data just to set up this automation. Okay, so first of all, you have to copy this webhook URL from here like this, and it will start showing this waiting for the webhooks response. Okay, now you have to go to your jot forms dashboard. This is the form I am creating. Okay, and let me show you from the scratch. I am going to jot forms dashboard. Okay, and this is the form I have created, create video form. And from here I'm going to click on this more options, and I'm going to click on settings, and the settings page of the form is opening up here. And from here on this left hand side you will see this integrations option. Click on integrations. Okay, and from here you have to search for webhooks in the search bar. This is webhooks, you can see. Click on webhooks, and here you can see a previous integration is up and running. So let me remove this first. Okay, now here is webhook. Click on webhooks, and in this add webhook field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay, so paste it like this, and then click on complete integration, and you can see the integration is now ready. Okay, so click on finish. Right, and here you can see it is still showing waiting for the webhooks response. This means now you have to do a test submission. So I'm going to fill the form again, and we'll capture the data of the form here. Okay, so I'm opening my form. Okay, this is the link, so I'm opening it in new tab. Okay, and here we have all these fields, you can see. Okay, so let me fill these things, the title, the text, and the image, and I'm going to fill all these things to create a video out of these things. Okay, let me show you how it is going to happen. So here I have filled the details of the first title, the first text, and the first image, then the second title and the second text and the second image, and the third title and the third text and the third image. So with the help of these texts and images, a video will be created out of Voxel application. Okay, and here I have filled the details of the lead by my name only, because this is the test lead and this is the WhatsApp number. And now I'm clicking on submit here, and you can see the form is submitted. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we capture the data, and you can see in Pabbly Connect the data is here like this, and here it is showing the form ID, so the submission ID, the webhook URL, the IP address, the form title, and in the spreadsheet field it has all the details that you have filled. In the text fields, here is the username, and here are the title one, the text, the first title, the second text, the second title, the third text, the third title, and we'll have other JPG links, that is the image links as well, the 1, 2, 3 links. Okay, so we got the data that we have filled in the form in this format here in Pabbly Connect. Now with the help of this data only, we are going to set up this automation further. So what we want, as and when we receive a form submission, we want to create a video out of it. Okay, so the action would be to create a video out of this data that we have received. So for that to happen, you have to click here on this actions tab, and here you have to connect Voxel application to create a video. So this is a automated video generating application, so we are using it. And in the action event, we have these 3 action events. So I'm going to use this one, generate native video. So it will generate one native video from Voxel video data specs. Click on this. Okay, then click on connect. And here you have to select add new connection. And here it is asking for the team ID and the API key. So you will find the both of these things in the my account section in your Voxel account. Okay, and you have to scroll down under the account settings page to get your API key and the team ID. So let us see where we can find these things. This is my Voxel account, guys, and here I'm going to click on this profile icon, and from this profile icon I'm going to click on my account. Okay, here is my account, and let us find the account settings. These are the account settings you can see, and when you scroll down we have all these things, team members. Okay, and this is the API key and the team ID that we needed. This is the API key, so I'm going to click on this copy icon from here. The API key is copied, and I'm pasting it here in Pabbly Connect in the API key field. And for the team ID, go back again and copy the team ID and paste the team ID here like this. Okay. Now click on save and you will be connected with Voxel. You can see we are connected now. Okay. Now it is asking for the things needed to create a video. So it will provide you to create a short video, and here you can enter maximum 5 images and text. So here it is showing the fields of title 1, text 1, media 1, title 2, text 2, media 2, and up to 5 it is showing us. Okay. So we got the details in the first step of the images and the text that we needed. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to use this data only, and I'm going to map this data in the second step. So let me show you how you can map the data. So to map the title, just click here and you will find the jot form option, the jot form step in this drop down. And from here, when you click on it, you will get all the details that you captured in the first step. So from here, you can find the first title. When you scroll down, here is the first title. Click on it and it is mapped. For the text one, you can see the text from this jot form step. Scroll down. This is first text. Map it. Okay. Now for the media one, let's check where is the media from jot form option. And you have to scroll down a bit more. And here you can see we have the uploaded image link 1 and map the first one. Okay. Okay, not this one. You have to actually map the proper JPG link. Let me see where it is. So when you scroll down, it will show you these are the image links you can see. Raw request image 321. Okay. So from here you can map this first image like this. This is the JPG link you can see .jpg. Okay. Now for the title 2, I'm taking the same path, the jot form step. This is the title 2. For the text 2, this is the text 2. And for the media 2, let's see where we find the media. This is the second media. Okay. Right. And for the third title and the third things, you can use the same process. Okay. So guys, here I have mapped the third title and the third image as well. You can see now we are leaving this fourth and fifth text and images fields blank. Okay, these are not compulsory things. And here you can decide the shape of your video. You want it in 9:16 ratio or 4:5 or 1:1. For now, I'm leaving this blank. You can enter your brand's logo here. If you have the logo in PNG format, you can enter the font link here. Okay, you can select the font size. You can select the background color. You can enter the HTML code for the background colors. Okay, and here you can select the text color as well, the text style, the text position, the transition. Okay, so you can select, you can even enter the music here as well. Okay, so we have all these options and the tags as well. For now I am leaving all such things blank. I'm just showing you the demo how it is going to work. Now I'm going to click here on save and send test request now, and a new video will be created out from Voxel application. So it might take 3 to 4 minutes to create a video and to get a video created from Voxel application. As you can see, it is showing us the success code here. This means a new video is created, but the native status is pending here. That means the video creation is under process, so it might take 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so we want here that this workflow should take a pause for 3 to 4 minutes before sending the video to WhatsApp on the person who have filled the form, because it is taking time here 3 to 4 minutes to create a video. So we want this workflow to take a pause for 3 to 4 minutes. For that, what you can do, you just have to click here on this plus icon and another actions tab will open up, and here you have to use a feature by Pabbly which is called delay feature. Okay, so you have to type here delay. This is delay module. Okay, right, and here what we want to put a delay of 5 minutes. So here you have to select delay for option. Okay, and here it is asking the units of time in which you want to put the delay. So here I have to select minutes, and I'm putting here 5. Okay, so now click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see the message is this delayed for 5 minutes. So this means after this step, after the video creation step, this workflow is going to wait for 5 minutes till the video is going to be generated. Okay, so it is going to wait for 5 minutes, and after that what we want, after that when the video is completed or created, we want to send it to the person who have filled the form on their WhatsApp. Okay, for that what you can do, you have to click here on this plus icon, and from here now we want to fetch the completed video out of Voxel application. Okay, for that you have to connect Voxel again. Type here Voxel, select it, and in the action event you can use this action event get video option. So it will get a native video by the code. Okay, click on get video, click on connect, and now you can use this select existing connection option because we have already made a connection with Voxel in a previous step. So just select this existing connection and click on save, and you will be connected with Voxel again. You no need to type the team ID and the API key again. Okay, so here it is asking the videos code. So in the previous step, before this delay, in this step where we have created the video, okay, you can see in the response section it is showing us this success code. Okay, so this is the code we need to get a video's link when it is completed. So I'm going to map the link here. When you click on this video code field, it will show you the previous steps like these. So from this second step, you can get the success code. Click on it. Okay, and then click on save and send test request, and now you will get the link of the video that we want to send to our users, okay, or leads. So here you can see in this response section, we got the download link of the video like this. This is the video that we needed. Okay, so now I want to share this video with the user who have filled the form on WhatsApp. For that, you just have to click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up. And from here, I'm going to use 360 Dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp. Okay, so now you guys are wondering why we are using one more application to send messages on WhatsApp, because to send messages on WhatsApp, you need to have the access of WhatsApp's API. So 360 Dialog is an application which provides you access to WhatsApp's official API. So with the help of this, you can send messages on WhatsApp easily. That's why we have selected 360 Dialog. Now in the action step, you have to select send template message option. Okay, now you can click here on this connect button. And from here, you have to choose add new connection option. If you're making the connection with 360 Dialog for the very first time, select add new connection. Okay, and then it will ask for this API key and the domain name. So let me now show you how 360 Dialogs look like and from where you can find these things. Guys, 360 Dialog is this, and if you want to set up your own account here, please do check the link that we have pasted in the description for you. Because by using our link, you can get the services of 360 Dialog in much lesser prices than the usual ones they provide you. Okay, so this offer is exclusive for Pabbly Connect users. Please do check the link. Okay, so here you can see on this WhatsApp account page of 360 Dialog, I have this button generate API key. So by clicking on this generate API key button, you can generate your own key. Then you have to copy that key and paste it here in this API key field in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and while generating the key, you will get the domain as well, which will look like this link. So you have to copy that link and paste it here in the domain field. Okay, then you have to click on save, and you'll be connected with 360 Dialog. And guys, generating this API key is one-time task only. Once you get a key generated, you can use the key again and again to make the connection afterwards also with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and making the connection by this process is also a one-time task. Once you made this connection by filling the API key and the domain name here, after that you don't have to do this again and again. After that, you can use this existing connection option, and you can make the connection just by clicking on save. As I have already made a connection with 360 Dialog in a different workflow with the same key that I have generated. So now I can use this existing connection option. And so here I just have to click on save and you will be connect. You can see we'll be connected with 360 Dialog. Okay. So here we are connected now. So now it is asking for the template to send the message. So now let me show you how templates work and what are templates. Okay. So I'm back in my 360 dialog and here I'm clicking on manage templates option. And these are the templates page. Here I have all these approved templates. Okay. And let me show you one of them. So guys, these templates are nothing but the standard defined messages that you want to send on WhatsApp to your customers or clients or to anyone. Okay. So you have to create a message template here first in 360 dialog and then get it approved from Facebook. Then only you can use those templates to send the messages. Let me show you how you can create a template. You just have to click here on this add template button. Okay, and here you can give any relevant name to the template. You can create templates in all these categories it provides you. You can create a template of auto reply, account update, payment update, personal finance update, shipping update, reservation update, issue resolution, and all such categories. In these categories you can create a message template. You can select the language in which you want to send the message from here. Okay, you can select the templates type as a standard with text only, or media and interactive type in which you can add the links or the images. Okay, and here in the body field you have to fill the main body or the main message that you want to send. Okay, then you just have to click here on preview and submit and your template will be submitted. And Facebook will take 30 minutes to 48 hours to review a template and approve it. So once you got your templates approved, you can use any of the template to send messages. Okay, so let me show you which template I am using. So guys, this is the template I have created for this purpose to send videos to my leads on WhatsApp. And here you can see in this text that I have filled in the template. Here I have this 1 in double curly braces and 2 in double curly braces. So guys, these are called the body fields or the variables you have in your template. Okay, so you have to put these body fields necessarily in the message because these messages are for many users and we need to change a few things to send a personalized message for every user. Okay, so here you can see after hi, I'm going to put the name of the person to whom I'm sending the message. So that is going to change with every new message. And in the place of after this regard, here we are going to put the name of the firm or the company or anything, or anyone who is sending the message, he can fill the name here. Okay, so that can also change with every new message. So guys, to get these things filled automatically, we are going to map the values of these body fields in Pabbly Connect. Okay, but you must have these body fields here. Okay, so in Pabbly Connect it is asking which template you are using. So when you click here, it will show you all the approved templates that you have in 360 dialog, and the template I am using is this one, video link template. Okay, so I have selected my template now. So after selecting the template, this namespace field and the language code will get automatically filled up. And here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number. Okay, so as you already know that we collected the data of the person in this first step. Okay, we collected the demo data. So in real time, you are going to get the details like this. And here you will find the WhatsApp number as well in this WhatsApp number field. Okay, so you have to map this field here in this step, in the WhatsApp step, in the recipient mobile number. Just click here and you will find all the previous steps, and from this first step you can find the WhatsApp number of the person who have filled the form like this. Click on it to map it. Okay, and in the header video URL, we are going to map the URL of the final video that we got in the previous step. You can see in the previous step here we have the get video option, and with the success code we got the video, and this is the download link of the video. Okay, so I'm going to map this label here in this step. Okay, In the header video URL, just use this previous step, the last one, Voxel, get video, and map the download link. Okay. And in the body field 1 and 2, I'm going to, you can see after hi, I am going to map the value of the name of the person. So you will find the name of the person from the first step. Where is the name? Here is the name. Okay. And then the body field second, if you want to put the name of your organization, you can do it manually. I'm putting here Team Pabbly. Okay. If you want to put any other thing, you can put any other thing as well. Okay. Now let me show you how the message after delivering of the WhatsApp message, how the message will look like. So here I have opened the WhatsApp account on which I am sending the message, and now I am clicking on save and send test request here, and the test message will be delivered to this account, like I can show you. Okay. So here you can see it is showing this kind of response, and we have received a new message. Let's check. Okay. And this is the message. You can see we have this message. Hi Akib, thank you for using your form to create a lovely video. Please download your video in order to make this link clickable. Okay. Please save this number. And this is the video attached. Let me show you the video also. Okay. So this is the video created out of the text that I have filled in the form, and this is how the video will look like. And this is the same video created with the help of Voxel application. Let me show you. This is the same video that we got here in the previous step. This is the downloading that we have attached. Let me show you this. And you can see the video is getting downloaded here in my system. And let me open this for you. And you can see this is the same video that we have sent on WhatsApp. Okay. So connection is working properly. Okay. And we are done setting up this automation also. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger step, I connected JotForm application, and then with the help of this URL, I connected it and captured the date of a test submission like this. Okay. After that, I connected Voxel application in the action step to generate a video. I mapped the details required to create a video. I've used 3 text, 3 images for that. And after that, I put a delay of 5 minutes to wait for a video to be created completely with the help of Voxel. And after 5 minutes, we got the video link here like this, and I mapped this link here in this last step, in which I used 360 Dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp. I selected the template, mapped the things that we want to send, and we are done here. And guys, the good part is you can use the same workflow that we have just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. And also you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make the connection and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, as and when any of your user or your lead is going to fill the form that you have shared with them, a video will get automatically created and will be automatically delivered to them on their WhatsApp. You don't have to do anything. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.